Today I'm going to share with you 2 easy, delicious recipes made with black rice. Recently, Good Life Organic sent me black rice, which has obviously not lasted me very long. I now understand what the hype is about. Some of you might have seen on my Instagram, I've been experimenting with some recipes and you guys got very excited, so I thought let's get excited here and share the recipes. It's so easy, delicious. You can make this for your friends during the festive season. The 2 recipes, the one is savory, yummy, and the other one is sweet. It can actually alternate between, so it's black rice pudding, it can alternate between a breakfast or a dessert, just with the right crowd. Know what I'm saying? So let's get into this. You don't have to be an exceptional cook, you just need to get some black rice, and let's get on to it. Tip number 1 is soak your rice in water the night before the time, or at least a few hours before the time. Otherwise, you're gonna take a very long time to get your rice cooked, boiled, don't know which one to say perfectly, talking out of experience. I'm making 2, so these are for there's obviously for the pudding and for the savory. First, we drain the water from the rice. And remember to keep the water and throw it into the plants. Always love to reuse. Give it a nice rinse. And look how beautiful this rice is. Oh, I just love it. This is the first time ever on YouTube that I'm doing a non-vegan dish, but it's so good, I had to share. Basically, just take some chicken pieces, season with Himalayan pink salt. Then in a pan, just put some coconut oil and bring on the chicken. I do about 4 minutes on each side. You turn it around, and then when you're done with it, you can set the chicken aside. Now, in the very same pan, you can put some garlic and ginger and lemongrass pieces. Then you put in the black rice, your water, and coconut milk. How beautiful is this color? I think this is my favorite part of black rice, is this purple color that it makes. And now we can actually put back the chicken pieces. You can put a lid on it and let it go for about 45 minutes to an hour so that the chicken is so juicy it'll just fall off the bone. Ta-da! How pretty is this? And let me tell you, it tastes just as good as it looks, and that was so easy. Very, very easy. All you do is you take your soaked black rice and you add in water and then coconut milk, which I blitzed with a bit of dates to give it some sweetness. If you want to make it sweeter, you can put in more dates. And then you just put that in with the water, put in some Good Life Organic salt, and just bring that to boil for 45 minutes. And then you have this mush, this delicious, yummy, nutty flavor mush. This doubles up either as a breakfast or a dessert. And for the breakfast, you can put in some coconut yogurt or coconut milk or cream. How delicious would that be? Mango pieces when mango's in season. Here I just used some peaches. And yes, it does taste as good as it looks. Black rice heaven right here. Comment below if you've ever had black rice before. I love to connect with you guys. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.